My mom made this rising. I'm heading to school. Mocha bread, like she's going to. This is the ramen one. Most comfortable snacks ever. I am going to eat right now. It is my first day of the final exam. Yay! Today I have a class at 11:30, so I really have so much time. It is now 8:45, so yeah. Let us eat. My mom made this rising. I don't know why, but she's so productive in the morning. It is so big, guys. I am changed and now I'm going to try my new lip tint. It is from the Peripera Overblur team. Actually, it just arrived yesterday, so I can't wait to try. And now I'm heading off. Let me put things up inside my bag. These are my study notes, water bottle, my bag, and lastly the iPad. And now I'm ready to go. It is so hot right now, like the sun is literally up. But yeah, I'm heading to school. So it is currently 7 p.m. and I'm studying for tomorrow's exam with my mom's drag. I'm literally stressed, so I will eat this while I'm studying. I'm studying physics right now and it is so hard. But okay, let me eat peacefully. Bye, see you tomorrow. I just ate and now I'm going to wash my face and getting ready to school. It is already 9, so yeah. My mom is making this mocha bread, like she's going to put some cream. Oh, it looks so cute, guys. Reminds me of Villa Kuma. Going to do the filling, so yeah. We're going to some like a food store. It is like a mini restaurant.
Berarti kayak mie mai lah wangi ya.
They also sells this. It feels so nostalgic. Actually, when I was small, I often eat at this place. I really love the vibes. It is so homey. But we're going to eat at home because we don't have much time. Hello friends, so it is 9 and I'm currently watching GOSE. Because tomorrow I only have one exam, which is English, so it's quite alright. Today's exam was pretty tough though. I had physics and civic and they are both really... I'm going to continue watching GOSE. I really love 17, oh my god. So bye! Bye bye! I'm going to use moisturizer, sunscreen. So I just ate breakfast and I'm going to the school. It is an apple mango. It was kind of sour, and I really like it being sour. Hello, so I'm home. Yes, literally at 1. And tomorrow I will have an history exam, so yeah. Wish me luck because I actually do not really like history, but yeah, it is okay. And tomorrow is the last day before weekend. Yay, so I'm so happy. So yeah. I literally just ate, but my sister cooked noodles, so I can't help but I'm going to eat. So let's go. This is the ramen one. I forgot what's the name, but it is the newest noodles, like the chicken ramen or something like that. Oh, that's so red. Oh my god. CXDC. Chili. Let's try the soup. I prefer this one. That's too salty. Hey guys, so I'm currently getting ready to go to school. Yes, I'm going to straighten my hair. I don't know, I have a bunch of straightener and I don't know which one is the best one. I only have one exam today, like it's literally only 1 hour. Finally today is Friday, so I can rest for 2 days, today and tomorrow. And according to only 1 hour of school, my sister's going to wait in a cafe. So yeah, I actually want to go to the cafe with my sister, but I'm taking my exam, so I can't. And after that, she also has a college, so we don't have time to spend again. So yeah. Yay, I'm home. It is the end of the weekdays. So tomorrow is Saturday and I finally have a free time. But I don't think so. I have mathematics, biology and chemistry exams next week, so yeah. I'm going to eat snacks, which is ubi. I really love ubi. It is the most comfortable snacks ever, like ubi, banana and other fruits. Like, oh my god, so good. So let's go. We're actually supposed to eat it with this palm sugar, but I'm not going to. Anyway, I guess it is brown sugar. I don't know what's the difference, but it is so hot. Anyway, I'm supposed to get my shorts. If you remember, I returned my shorts. I'm supposed to get it on Wednesday, but I can't. So I think today I'm going to walk and get the shorts. This is what I eat for dinner. Ada tempe, tahu, pete, and tomatoes. It is so yummy. Actually, this is super heavy though, but it just looks small. But actually, there's so many. Let's see it. I don't like this one, like it looks like bean, but it is tauco. I don't know what it's called in English, but we usually call it as tauco. My family really likes this tauco as a sauce, and it is so yummy. Anyway, when I was small, I really don't like pate, but surprisingly, it is good. Like it tastes like bean. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. There's also shrimp. Ta-da, shrimp.